Okay, so today I have this green apple 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I am going to test a few things with it. So first I'm going to get a cup. I'll be right back with all the supplies I need. Okay, I'm back and I have everything I need. I have my soap, I have salt, baking soda, and I have some cups, 3 cups. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open 1 cup. So, beautiful. Now I have, the reason I chose this cup is because it is clear, so I can see it. All right, so first I want to show you, I'm going to show you why I'm doing this. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to find out if I can make like slime with this, because if you can see, it is very slime-like already. Like it could almost be slime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to put salt in one, and I'm going to put baking soda in one. So I'm actually just going to wash this off. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's get started, shall we? Yes, we should. So I'm going to move you so that you can see what I'm doing. Like that. Can you? There, can you see? All right, perfect. Now, I have the first cup, and I'm going to put a little bit in, and this is going to be the one that goes in the fridge. So I'm just going to, that should be good. Alrighty, let's go put this in the fridge. Alright, so here we are. Right into the wall. Here's the fridge, right here. Now we're going to put it in right there for about 5 minutes. So we are going to come back to that in just a little bit. Let's go. Okay. Sorry. All right. So now, with the second cup, we are going to put some in. And I think we're going to try this first because I feel like the salt is going to work. But I don't know about this. Baking soda. So, let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to put in a little bit of this. That's a lot. Okay. Oops. Oopsies. That's quite a bit. That's a lot more than the last one, but that's okay. Now we're going to do a little bit of baking soda. Put a little bit of baking soda in there. See if I can get any out. Okay. A little bit more because you need kind of a lot for it to activate and actually make slime. Okay, I also have a paintbrush. I just have a paintbrush. I'm going to use the back of the paintbrush to stir it. Oh my gosh, it's actually working. Okay, so I've never been able to actually make slime out of like stuff. So I'm really happy that this is working. I need a lot of baking soda though. Oh dear. Maybe it isn't making slime. Maybe it will make slime. I just have to like put it in the fridge or something. We need a lot of baking soda for this to work, I think. Okay, I'm gonna put in, it's almost making it less like slime and more like just a regular real substance. So I think I have enough stuff in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and see what happens. So I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Okay, so now we're gonna take the last one. I'll put the other one in the fridge in a little bit, but there's the last one. I'm gonna take our 2-in-1, green apple 2-in-1, put some in there. So weird. All right, voila, magic. All right, so now we're gonna take the salt. This is iodized salt. We're gonna add a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot. And I'm gonna use a different paintbrush this time. It was working at first, but now it doesn't look like it's working. Maybe we just need lots of salt. That sounds really gross. Okay, so this is what we got. It's like a, yeah, we're gonna put all of these in the fridge. The first one I'm gonna take out is the first one I put in there. I'm gonna take that out in a little bit. So I will see you, and instead of this one, it will be the first one that we did. Okay, so I'm just gonna check it. No way, it's actually like making slime. I don't know if you can see it, but it is totally making slime. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more in because it's working. All right, and I did check the other one, the baking soda that we put in there, and it is not any better. So we're not gonna use that one yet. But oh my gosh, this is totally making slime. This is crazy. It's like basically slime. Like this slime, it's a little too gluey if this is regular slime. So I would need to add some more activator to it, I think. But I'm gonna try just putting it in the fridge. So, see you in a second. So I actually put them in the freezer so it's faster. So I'm excited to see if this is gonna work or not. The plain one might, but I don't think either of the baking soda or the salt is gonna work. I really thought the salt would work. It makes me sad. Oh well. So, let's get one, shall we? So, I don't really think that the, in there is, I don't know if it's actually going to do anything to it, just like sitting in there. Because, see, when I poured some out onto here, it did the exact same thing. You just got to play with it, like, fast, and then it's slime. So, I don't know if it's going to change it. I also would like to try maybe some of this stuff. It's just some facial cleanser. It is also pretty, actually it's not that slimy already. So, I don't think, ooh, what happens if you mix these two together? Whoa, I don't know what it's doing. Added some baking soda. Just gonna mix it in real good. I don't know, that didn't do anything. It looks like it's about time to go get them out of the freezer. Well, first I'm gonna get the first one. Be right back. sure I don't get it on my phone. Oh, it's recording. Oops. 1 second. Okay, this time I made sure I wasn't doing anything. Shoot. I don't think I should edit that out because that was just funny. But anyway, I took out the normal one. So we are going to check it. It's cold. It was in the freezer. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit more slime-like than it used to be. But it's still basically the same. It's not really any better. I have an idea. I'm going to be right back. Just kidding. I have it right here. I'm going to grab it. All right, I got it. All right, so this is what it is. It's just some laundry detergent, because I heard somewhere that laundry detergent. So I'm just going to look at this. Yeah, pretty slimy. Let's add a little tiny bit of detergent, just a few drops. I'm going to mix that in. It looks like it's working. And the best part about using detergent is that if it doesn't work, I can still wash my hands with it. Because, oh shoot, that was a lot. Uh-oh. I can wash my hands with it because it's just soap. This is actually working. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. This is working. A little bit more detergent. Oh shoot, that was a lot more. Hopefully that doesn't ruin the slime. That looks awesome. Okay, so I'm going to see if it'll come out now. I can show you how good of a slime it is. Oh my gosh. So it is a little gooey still. I think a little more detergent would be better. It's like actually pretty good though. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Wash off my hands real quick, and I'm going to use soap because that is soap. It smells good. So I just have like some Tide detergent that I'm using. So this is super cool that it's actually working. But you do need like equal parts detergent and this shampoo that I have. It seems like it's like changing the color of it. Like if you look into it, it's like I don't know if you can see it because I don't have the best lighting, but it's like a different color. People always say the best lighting is in the bathroom. Well, that's where I am right now. I don't have the best lighting. Not the best. Okay. I think I need more detergent. Okay, well, I'm going to get some more detergent because I am kind of out. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I got lots of it. Let me just pour. It's kind of watery because I rinsed out the thingy a little bit. Hopefully that doesn't ruin it. I'm making like a lot of slime here. Well, if this turns into slime. That was a lot of detergent. Hopefully that isn't too much. Okay, so now I'm actually going to put it back in the freezer. I'm going to go check on the other ones. They're probably almost frozen now. Oh well. Oh my gosh. I just realized I didn't film that at all. Shoot, what did I not film? Shoot. So, what I just did is I looked at the salt one, and I got this goopy gloppy mess, and I can't believe I didn't film it. Well, I'm done. But look, so it's not it. It's just not at all. Nope. I'm a little worried now. Like, what did I not film? Uh-oh. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go get the baking soda one. For real this time. Okay, it's filming, right? All right, perfect. Now, shall we get the last one, the baking soda one? Yeah, let's do it. All right, I've got it. This is what it looks like. I don't think this has anything in it. I believe it is not even close to slime. I'm going to be surprised if it is. So let's stir it up. Yeah, no. So, hey, what if I add a little bit of this? And now I'm just messing around, seeing what all I have. Okay, so I added a little bit of detergent in there. It did absolutely nothing. Here, oh wait, I gotta wipe this up real quick. There's a big mess here from the last one that I didn't even film. I'm so mad at myself. Okay, so here is, there we go. Okay, I got some out. I did it. Alright, so yeah, it's not slime at all. It's just goop. It's cold. Oh wait, yeah, it was just in the freezer. Wow, I'm done. Okay. Well, yeah. Do you want to watch this one? Good. You can start now. First this thing. Put it over there, please. Alright, let's look how different this one looks. Whoa. It's not as clear as the other one. There's so many bubbles. It's crazy. I might have to, like, rinse the last one out in the tub. There's a lot of bubbles in here. I could do a life hack. Be like, did you wash your hands with too many bubbles? And you don't want your mom to get mad? Just take some spray of any kind, or even spray some water on it. Then the bubbles will go away. I don't know if they actually will, but it's worth a shot, right? Read all these bubbles. Like this thing is completely filled with bubbles. Like if I'm touching the bottom, and the bubbles are up to here, and all the way down. Really, look at, I got a cup full of bubbles. No, I didn't. I got a cup top of bubbles. See if I can get any more bubbles in there. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. There's my cup of bubbles. Basically, a cup made out of bubbles. Okay, so here's how many bubbles are in there. It's not that many. It's kind of sad. Those are the bubbles that ended up in it. So many of them. Oh my gosh, I can't even wash my hands because when I do, then my hands touch the bubbles and then I get more bubbles on my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped this. Then I would have had to wash it all out again. Okay, so, wow. Well, last thing I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna take this. There's a little bit of water in here, but that's okay. Doesn't need to be absolutely perfect. Put that down. I'm gonna do just a little bit of this. That should be good. Then I'm gonna add in, this is one of those jelly cubes. I hate it when that happens. Ewy. Okay, so I'm gonna squirt a little bit of this, like that. So there's basically equal parts of both, I think, almost. No, there isn't. There's definitely more shampoo. Well, let's stir it up and see what happens. Maybe I need a lot more shampoo. Or 2-in-1, I guess. This isn't shampoo, this is 2-in-1. There we go. Now I have a little bit of face cleanser and a lot of bit of 2-in-1. Alright, so this is what I got. I'm gonna pour it all out just because I feel like it. Okay, so it is not slime. It is, again, a mess. There, I can wash my hands. I washed my hands like 20 times today because of this. This actually is really good for some reason. What did we ever do to you? Well, for one thing, she's lovely on the dog, and he's also lovely on the dog. He's lovely on the dog. Okay, I'm sorry, this is getting boring. Let me, I will get back to you when this is all cleaned up. Yeah, now you can see the bubbles, and it's like, what? My sink is this deep about. So yeah, that's a lot of bubbles. Got bubbles everywhere. Okay, so I will see you in just a minute when I get the last one out of the freezer. Oh, it's still recording. Shoot. Sorry about that. Okay, so I got it out of the freezer. It is not slime. I am not sure what it is. Here, let me show you. I'm gonna bring the camera over here just a second. About that much. That should be good. Okay, let's see. Can I make it so you can see it? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So, it is kind of. It's like one of those jiggly ones that you can't physically pick up, but you can move it around, and it is super cold. It basically froze. Here, let me show you better. I'm pretty sure you can see it, but so yeah, like you can move it and you can get it off its spot so that there's space there. All right,